In this video, I will explain further about how to create the interactive system using Puredata. So make sure that you already watch previous videos so that you can follow the development of this module up until this point. In the previous video, video number 7, you see the purpose that we have for this lesson and for the next video lessons is to build that nice visual, nice display, and well organized, and also easily to be used, easily to be adjusted all the different parameters, and then save everything in one preset. Okay, so that in a real performance it can really save a lot of hassle. We can simplify the process. Okay, so this on the screen you see this is the patch that we've been developing in the previous videos, exactly the same, except that I made some adjustment to make it more neat, you know, all the lines, make it more horizontal and vertical. That's all what I did. And here, if I may repeat just a little bit, consisted of several parts. In this part is actually the most important is fiddle to identify the partials. In this case, I identify 8 partials, and this is the fundamental. And all this partial is later on will be stored here in the preset. This is 4 presets, so the name of the preset is actually preset number 1, 2, 3, 4, but every preset consisted of 10 partial. In this case, in previously I only use 8 partial, but I add until P10 here for the sake of our display later on. We need 10 partials. Okay, and then so you can add in your system here P9, that's partial number 18 and 19, P10 partial number 20 and 21, and then you can just add here. I think this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then 10 is here. So this is exactly, so if you haven't adjust into 10 partial, you can add one more partial over here. Okay, so this one is actually you can add over there. Okay, but this is actually already 10 partials. Okay, and then over here is actually to this patch to use to name every preset. I made a little adjustment here to put all this bang to connect it to the oh sorry, not this one, this one, to connect it to the, whenever you change the preset number, I make connection here with TPF. The bang goes directly to the speaker. Whenever you change the number, it will display the name of each preset right away, even before you click the recall preset. This can be helpful so that you can identify which preset you need for your project at that moment. Okay, and then over here the OVT P1 until P10, so you can just add until P10 is actually the partial 1 until partial 10. This is the granular synthesis. Every object here produce different sound with different frequency, different amplitude, different delay, and different spatialization. So, and then here is the sound that you fit into the granular synthesis from the microphone, and this one is the sound out to the DAC, and these are the parameters: transposition, normalization, windowing, random value, randomization, spatialization. So Yeah, so this one is quite messy, so we want to make it more simpler look. So first of all, what you need to do is to make the to click this screen and then make a graph. Okay, so what you can do is to click anywhere empty with a right click there, and then click properties, right, and then graph on parent, and then the size here you can put 380. How did you get the number? Yeah, you get until you 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 adjust until you find the right dimension of the look later on. So this one 380 and then the Y is 350 there. So in this area you will empty the area. Okay, you will empty the area, so just make it more open there. Yeah, just for now. Okay, make it clean from anything there. Alright, now before you put any object, first of all you need to put canvas. So the canvas should come first before any object, because if object first and then the canvas, the objects will be hidden later on because that will be behind the canvas. So the canvas first. So how to put that? Just click put and then canvas. Okay, for this canvas I want to use let's use the same dimension, right? So that's 380 and also 350 there. Very nice. Okay, you adjust the canvas, make sure that you can cover all the red lines. Okay, all right, so up until this point you want to save this as a file, as a pure data file. Okay, or what you have to do is to click file and then save as. Okay, this is, and then let's just, for example, save as interactive. All right, and then you save in the folder consistently where you put all your objects there. Yeah, otherwise the object won't be able to be loaded into your system, so you save that. All right, so now you can close this. That's it, right? And then, oh, this is my previous object, and then you make a new file. Okay, so you click here, interactive. That's it. There. Nice. So this is the one that we just made. Okay, if you open this, there. Now, this is already working now, so you can see this outside, and then this one, that's it. Okay, that is one way to do this. Actually, there is a better way to do this, is to do like this is make it object if you want to multiply. Okay, but I would suggest you to use the second approach. Okay, for a reason, because so that we will not have like many multiplication. Okay, so the second way to do this is to make this object let's make and then you just need to make this subpatch PD interactive, for example. Okay, and then click there, and then you just need to copy everything here, copy, yeah, copy everything, and then put in your subpatch. That's it. And then you can close this one, you can close this one. That's it. Okay, so there, so this is your PD interactive. If you click there, now the graph is not there because you cannot copy the graph, so you need to make a graph again, right? Graph on parent 380 350. That's it, exactly. And then you can close. There you go. So this is your system look like this. And then let's go back, go inside again, and you want to change the property of this canvas. I like this dark color, yeah. Maybe in this one, yeah, a little bit of light, just there. It gives a nice look, elegant. And then also you want to make some more canvas on top of this one. And the first canvas, I want to highlight the preset number, and then the next canvas I want to highlight the global parameter setting. The next I want to highlight the spatialization, and then delay. So I need 4 canvas, additional canvas. Just need to put another canvas there, and just adjust the size to 160 and 150 to 60, and then color a bit that's too bright. I think that's, yeah, this one is okay, right? Okay, you put there, over here, and then just duplicate there, and then duplicate that again once more, and then duplicate that. And duplicating easily, you can just click this blue square, and then just click Command D in Mac or Control D in Windows. Okay, I want to make space for this object because I need it bigger, I think. So let's make it 150 and 80. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So now this is the basic template of the, make it more neat here a little bit, there, down here, there, there, yeah. All right, good. So we will put all the GUI, the numbers, sliders on this canvas, so it can appear in the main window later on. Okay, so first of all, I want to put a preset number. I would suggest you to use this number 2, because this particular number, it can keep the data whenever you load. It will show the data right away. Change the properties. Let's use this black background, and then let's use the maybe the size it's I don't need a very long, just 4, and then change this into 16. Okay, and then this one, click init, means what, that whenever you load, it will load the last number that you put in it. Okay, then okay, yeah, that's nice. Okay, and then I want this object, bang object over here. You need to bang object, so let's make it also the same properties, black background, black, and then you can change the size into, yeah, I think 15 is okay. Yeah, just put there, and then command D, that's for duplicate. Okay, so this one I will use for, so you can put name here, yeah, recall, so that you can remember the function of it, and then duplicate that. This one is right. Okay, and this one, you can make it more, something, I don't know, maybe down here, whatever, preset number. Doesn't fit, yeah, unless you put it a little bit inside, or just change the position there. Not very nice. Anyway, down here is okay. Yeah, right. For now, you can adjust according to your artistic judgment, or just. All right, so now you want to make another, in this area we have all this element of transposition, normalization, and then windowing, maybe just. So you can make this using this edge slider. Okay, very nice over there. This edge slider, you can adjust the size into not that long, make it 80, and then yeah. So the transposition, the value is between -70 for this purpose into 30. Yeah, you can adjust that one, and then click OK. That's it. And then the next number here, you put another number 2 over there. I think it can fit. Yeah, and then you connect this right away. Okay, and now you just need to duplicate that. That's it. Okay, and this one you will make the label properties again. Transposition, you can adjust the X offset to 8, Y offset into 8, yeah, and click OK. Oh, you need to change the X value, maybe 6 and 8, that's it, or even more, maybe 4 there. Yeah, I think that's okay. Little bit more. 1. Yeah. Okay, transposition, and you want to change this normalization, and then this one is 1, this one is 8, and also click this, yeah, jump on click. So I'll show you why jump on click later. So normalization is basically from 1 until 50. Yeah, don't forget to adjust the value. And look at this, you jump wherever you click, see the slider can jump right away. Here no, because we haven't adjust. So transposition, click the jump on click, and then okay. So now windowing, this one is 8, and jump on click you can put from, I don't know, maybe 1, no, not 1, not windowing is actually the size of the sample, maybe 100 up until 30,000 or maybe 50. Yeah, but don't put it 0, it won't make any sound. Maybe 100 should be okay. Right, that's it, windowing. And for transposition, I want to add another number here. This is for precise setting of the, don't forget to connect, of the transposition. Maybe you want to make it -12 exactly, because using slider is pretty hassle later on. Okay, and then the next is actually just yeah, you put bang here and change that into background black. Yeah, that's it. And then duplicate that for the randomization here. Okay, and then I want to copy this for the delay, maximum delay. Yeah, okay, that's it. So you can put nice title here. Yeah, yes, and you want to put nice title here, delay. Yeah, that's it. And then this one you put it not delay, make it a small letter, not delay. This one is randomizing. That's it. Nice. That's it. Okay. So spatialization, you can put here randomize. That's it. Alright. Alright. So all what you have to do now is to connect that to your send object. So for this here, okay, randomization, I think it's here, right? You do not this bang anymore, and I would encourage you to make it always neat, So straight horizontal or vertical line as much as possible. Then you can set this random value up here, connect this to the random value. It's underneath somehow, and then spatialization is over there. Let's connect this to your spatialization, right there, straight line, very nice. And then for the, I'll just move this a little bit off here. This is for the, okay, for the transposition and normalization. This one is transposition, get from this number instead. And then normalization. Get from there. You see, it's this is patching, is quite some making connection, quite detail. You don't want to miss any of this connection. Most important here is to understand the logic, how things work. Yeah, do not just copy, but without understanding why things go that way. Try to understand as much as possible. And then yeah, quite good up until this point. And you want to make here another object to control the microphone. This one you want to put toggle, right? Toggle, yeah, microphone on or off. Adjust the property, make it a little bit bigger. Just make it twice 30 with a nice black background. Okay, so yeah, okay, if you want to make it a little bit more fancy, you can put a label. For example, this one, label $1, and then you connect it there, and simple mic, and then symbol on, wherever you can make it on and off. Whenever it's, you connect this label over there. Okay, and then you create this select 1. So whenever it click 1, it will trigger the symbol on. Otherwise, it will click symbol mic. So, oh yes, forget to change the properties. The font should be, yeah, this color, yellow, and then also the label also color, maybe the color yellow is nice, yeah. So the font you can make it more, subdued like that. Oh, I forget, this label should make bigger. You can see the on microphone off there. Maybe the size of the label change into bigger size. Yeah, offset is 5 and 15. And then the size maybe 15. Let's try. That's it. now. Okay, and you want to put here another object, the preset name. You want to make it bigger. That's it. And make it same line. Right. Okay. And connect this to receive preset name. Yeah, again, this is gonna be quite a long video because of the complexity that we are dealing with. And for this spatialization, and then also for the randomization, I would suggest you to connect to Loadpunk. So whenever you start, it will trigger certain value. Otherwise, the sound, it won't be there. Okay, means this need to be adjusted to position. That's it. Right. And then you can also connect this one. Okay. Okay. So that's the first part. Now, for the spectrum analyzer, you want to also use, just copy this one. Oops, sorry. Copy this one for the spectrum analyzer. But you want to change into off here, off, and then spectrum analyzer, nice. Yeah, and then you can make this another bang object here, but make it bigger, 25, then background's black. Yeah, this is just to check if all of these objects are in the same line, just for checking. Yes, good, it's all in the same line. Just do it again, and then yeah, try to click this one, on off. Yeah, maybe the X value a little bit off, make it 2. This one also make it 2. Yeah, that's it. Right. Okay, always try for a neat arrangement that will make you more encouraged, you know, and to see your system arranged nicely. Okay, this one need to be horizontal line. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's quite tricky because one is going up, one is going down, whatever. Okay, this this straight line. That is helping. Okay. Now we want to put all these different partial object into this area, but I want to make a little bit of change. Instead of numbering over OVT P1, I will use OVT 1, or in this case I will just change the name, become yeah, not harm, I already use harmony, par 1. Okay, partial 1. Okay, I will make that object partial 1. Okay. Okay, now let's make this partial object. Okay, this is quite messy, so the first thing you will be doing is to make the graph. Yeah, over here, graph, you put the size 70 to 100. Okay. Oh yeah, there you cannot move the graph, but you can move all other element by select all, by command A or control A, and then you put the graph somewhere in the middle, maybe you want to make some space of it like this. Okay, or from there. Okay, so the element that you want to put inside this graph are, okay, before we forget, we need to put canvas. Okay, always put canvas first. Okay, adjust the same size, 70 to 100. Okay, now I want you to put this receive symbol $1 color. Okay, we want to control the color of this canvas this time. Okay, so $1 once more, let's check again. $1, yeah, $1 color, and then adjust the position that cover all the red lines, and then you want to put this number again. Okay, just there, and then duplicate there, another one over there. And in my previous video I use knob, but I know that in vanilla it need a little bit of effort how to get that knob installed. So instead you can use a slider. Yeah, actually the one that I use is ABC knob, but I don't think that this one ABC knob, if you can manage to find that object, will be nice. But if not, you can use this edge slider. Okay, and you just need to adjust the size here into 60 to 15, and make the black color, and then front this color. I think this nice, and then put label pen. Remember, this is 1, this is 8. Oh, the label, you need to change the color. Label, maybe this color is okay. Yeah, the pen, it will be here, and duplicate this for the volume over there. But don't forget to change the property volume should be between 0 to 1, right? Maximum volume is 1. Just a moment to make sure. Yeah. And then for the pen, the value maximum should be 100, so adjust this to 100. You can also make it jump on click, just like before. Jump on click. Oops, this one again, sorry. Change the level into volume. That's okay. Yeah, and now we want to make a nice display of the canvas with the changing color. So you can check here, click the corner upper leftmost and then click help. You can click this property and then PD color. Yeah, I want you to just copy all this to labeling here up until here. Okay, copy all this, copy, right, Command C or Control C, and then you put there. Okay, remember we changed this, the address is $1. Okay, so if we change the color here, okay, sorry, this should be underline. Let's check again. Color. Oh, okay, without S. Let's make it colors. That's it. Yeah, different name you cannot identify there. Okay, so you can use any different combination of color. In my previous example, I use this blue as a itu 0 here, and then only change the green, and then this red, just left it that way. Okay, all right, so you want to connect this into your output here, your output, because this only control the show the volume of this particular partial. So you want to connect this, you can get from here after the del read, yeah, not the del write, but after the del read, so that it can show the right. Oh, wait a minute, no, okay, no. Okay, this actually control the volume here. Okay, so you just connect it there, but you need to open this one, open, right, and you need to make some adjustment. Yeah, first you need to make an inlet here, inlet, and then make this trigger FB. The bank will be connected because the blue you want always constantly the value is 0. You disconnect this one, sorry, you connect remain set value for the red, but the blue you want this number, and this one is for the yellow, right? And oh, sorry, we need to, yeah, this is a lesson learned. It will trigger some error, so you need to make some adjustment on the value for the green. So just follow this expression, and then 2 3 $f1 times 255, and then this one minus 255, and then times minus 1. This is actually just to flip whenever this slider send positive number, is actually will be turned into here 0. Okay, because if positive number from 0 to 1 is the loudest of that amplitude is actually position 0 of this screen. So that's the function of this expression. So whatever the number, you make it times 255, because it's the slider is only 0 until 1, right? So with the maximum of 255, and then subtract by 255, right? So it will make negative 255, but you times negative 1, so make it positive again. So that's a little bit of math, and this is important to avoid error, because this cannot receive number below 0 and beyond 250. So otherwise it will just stop the pure data and it won't work. So you want to make this Moses 0, means what? It will only pass above 0, but you connect again Moses 255, it will not let pass any number beyond 255. Okay, you can put number here just to control, so it will rule out any number below 0 and any number above 255. Then you connect there. That's it. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And then don't forget to comment save, right? And now you can connect the volume to here. As you can see, changing of volume will change the color, only the green from the RGB, and will make the blue value remain 0 over there. Okay, right. Now this is a bit kind of complex process after this. Now you want to send the value of each of this GUI, yeah, and then at the same time you want to receive. So I will use the device of for example, from the volume I will use this, the receive here, receive for for example fall in, yeah, like volume in, yeah, and then dot $1, connect there, and then you put here send volume out, connect on the out. Okay, do exactly the same for the pen, but adjust the name. This one is for pen in, and this one for the pen out. Pen in, pen out. And also for this one, the other two. This one is for the trans in, transposition, trans out, connect there, connect there, and the last is for the delay in, the delay randomization, and delay out, and make it more. Don't forget to connect. Don't forget to connect. You forget to connect, the system won't work. Yeah. So this is need a lot of concentration. Make sure it's outside the square. Okay. So we haven't done yet. Now we want to connect this all this complex system. Okay, this is gonna be quite a long video because of the level of complexity that we are dealing with. Okay, so let's first of all use this spatialization. Spatialization. So from here, make it maybe going up here for now. So you want to connect, disconnect this direct line. Yeah, you want to use the same line from the spatialization is actually in this. Okay, let's just work with the volume first, so that we will be working in order. Leave the spatialization there. The volume is connection with normalization. Where is normalization? Right, it's right here. So for the normalization, okay, let me just a little bit make sure the system will work. Okay, let's just delete this. Disconnect this for now, and then there, and then you need this object trigger bang F, and expression $F1 times $F2 EXPR. What this stand for? This is to multiply the current amplitude of this partial, which we read here, This is the, remember, P1, P2. This is the amplitude we want to multiply by each normalization to adjust the volume. Okay, so basically that is what we're doing here. So we connect this number to this expression, right? That's it, make it a straight line, right? And then whenever it's sent into the cold inlet, the normalization value, it will also trigger the hot inlet, so it can be produced right away in the outlet. So you connect this to your outlet, which is volume over there. Okay, from volume you connect again to your line over there. Okay, so actually, yeah, you just need to understand the line of instruction. Okay, but this time you do not need this. Oh yeah, it's already okay, just for a minute. You do not need this line anymore, right? So this one is actually you just need, remember this, do not miss this, just for, and change the place to here. Basically this won't change anything, it's just for the sake of make it more, oh sorry, make it tilde, right? Times 1 means change nothing, and you want to use this to control your left sound and right sound at the same time, which is here, right? Wait a minute, I need another okay, so up here it need another controller, amplitude adjusting, that's it. Yeah, there. Okay, yours might be a little bit different, but most important here, you adjust the volume based on the partial volume or the main volume of this partial. Okay, this next one is to control the left and right, which I will explain just right now after this. Okay, so that is the volume, you connect into this line 200 millisecond, and there's the dedicated amplification over here. Okay, before it's sent into another amplification to control the left and right volume. Okay, so that's it, that's for the amplitude of this partial. Now I want to make a change, that this is important, it took me sometimes and give me some trouble of this pipe thing. So just delete this pipe thing, change into F. Okay, that's it. So no more pipe, so F to MIDI and then F, or you can just delete that right away because it's useless, and then go directly to here. Okay, and I think this is right. Wait a minute. Let me make sure that we are in the same. Right, and then transposition. Yeah, the system getting more complex now. Yeah, I like to see all these different lines, straight lines, make it neat. Now another adjustment that I want you to make is to change this R $1 become RP $1, so that we won't need to repeat the P all the time, because we will do that so many times. So remember this, change to P $1. Okay, that's it. And if you forget this, the system will not work. Okay, so you're not clear with the volume now. So we also have volume connected to this very neat, very nice, yeah, color changing based on volume. Now we will deal with the next element, which is the the panning, the spatialization. Okay, for the spatialization, you basically connect the panning object to this one. Yeah, you connect it there. That's it, right? Spatialization. Yeah. Connect it there, random 100, and then from here you connect to P pen. Yeah, pen out there. That's it. And also yeah, and also from here, right, from the panning, you connect to the real to control this next, yeah, to the next amplitude adjustment over here. So what you need to do is now connect this to this number first over there, and make sure you have a straight line. Okay, and then you need this another expression. Yeah, 100 minus $1. I will show you why we need this one. Of course, I found out this quite thinking for a while. But yeah, this is, and then you connect this expression to the right. Yes, but don't forget to divide first by 100, because the volume is maximum of only 1. Okay, 1 RMS, and then you get this number from the left directly from this connection. That's it. Don't forget to divide by 100 again. Okay, so if you want to know why we need another expression, the reason is here. Okay, now this is the left one. Just to make sure. So this is the panning there. Of course this is wrong. $F1. So see, it's important for you to always check if you in the specific aspect that you just made, to make sure it works, because if you leave this, and you won't be able to find, you can find, but it takes a lot of time. No, that is working now, because if this goes to the left, right, this means what? To the right means what? Okay, so the sound should be at the right. Now this is wrong connection, right? So this should go here, and this one should go there. This is the, am I right? this is right, 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 this is left, so check again. So this should be for the right speaker, this should be for the left speaker. Check again. Right speaker, so if right is 100, left is 0, and the other way around. If the right in the left if 100, this one, right? Right. Oh yeah. Sorry. Okay, I think I'm a bit confused here. Yeah, right. Just put it back. All right, this one. Okay, that's the one. Right speaker. Left speaker. Oh. Oh, okay. Ooh, I mixed up, I think. So this one is here. This one is that one. Oh no, I think I'm confused. Right. Oh yeah, that's correct. Okay, the positioning of it is confusing. Yeah, this is the way we should have been doing this. Terbalik. Right, that's it. Okay. Whew. No, that's it. Okay. Right. So that's for the panning. Now for the transposition. Okay. For the transposition, we'll connect this transposition to this transposition will connect to transposition, this one. Let's get from here. Transposition, right? Yeah. Right. Okay, from here, just below this slider, and from, but we want to disconnect the direct line here, right? Don't forget to disconnect the direct line, because you want to connect this to there. Okay, remember this? Yeah, can you get this? If you want to make it clearer, that straight line there, there. Okay. Right. To make it straight line, make it more easy to read. Right. Easy to read there. And underneath. And then you can just adjust a little bit the position of it. That's it. Can make it below straight line is nicer. Okay. So you just instead of bypassing it, you go through this transposition, and that's it. And now for the randomization, you just connect this to your randomization. Where is your randomization? Normalization is over here. So from random 5000, you disconnect this, the direct connection, and you connect to your randomization. Maybe better to put it there. Make a straight line, and then from there you connect to the original connection, which is here. That's it. So this one is basically used to control the or you can put it here. To control the delay time of this particular partial. You can just move all of these here, and you do not need this second one. To save GUI means save energy, make your system slider somehow, right? The more object, the heavier it is. That's it. Okay, you can delete this. You do not. This was just for the checking. Take me some time to figure out the right position. Okay. Yeah, you can. Yeah, just for the sake of. Yeah, we've deal with pretty much all the element of your module now. Just want to check once more. Yeah, I think that's it. And then you need to windowing. Yeah, windowing. For the windowing, you just need to add one object here. Is receive win in, and then dot $1, just put there, and then receive $1. Do you need window out? No. Yeah, that's all. That's all on the windowing. Okay. And then click Control S, save. Oh, I just make a mistake. Anyway, I already saved that into OVTPD P1. So all your OVT will be changed now. You know, you need now, don't forget this step now. You delete again. So this object is actually OVT 1, not OVT P1 anymore. Okay, you delete all this. That's it. So this is OVT 1. Okay, and then oh sorry, you don't use the OVT number 1, but start from OVT number 2. So OVT 2, that's it. Okay, without that canvas, the name of OVT will appear there, and then now it's hidden, OVT 2. Okay, and then you adjust the position, maybe with a slight gap in between OVT. Did I say OVT 2? Yeah, it starts with OVT 2 and then OVT 3, and then OVT 4. That's it. And then you want to put it there, and do not use duplicate for this one, because if you just duplicate, the number definition won't appear, so it will give you hard time to adjust. So make it one by one, 2, 3, 4, and then now you have OVT 5, and then you next one is OVT 6 and OVT 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, adjust there. That's it. You put there neatly. And then OVT to 8, OVT 9. Now why we need number 10? To make it yeah, exactly, to fit the space, right? Otherwise, if only 9, because we skip 1, it will not be nice looking. So that's it. So we move it there. I think we need more space for this. Okay, just make it maybe more space over there. That's okay. We can move this a little bit up. There. Yeah. That's it. You can make this adjustment a little bit. Just make it more. There. Something like that. Okay. So adjust this position. Alright, cool. As you can see, it's now complete, and then you save this. What is this? Sound right to alright, yeah. So looks like that, and yeah, until this point you can, if you close this one, you already have this nice looking display here. So it's actually already working system, I hope. Yeah, so whenever you turn this on, check mic, yeah, okay, we need to work a little bit of the system, but I think I will explain in the next video, because this video getting too long already. Okay, see you in the next video.